What's up guys, today I'm going to review the Holystone HS100. To start off with, the Holystone HS100 FPV RC Drone possesses an impressive optimized 720p HD adjustable wide-angle camera. Notably, this drone captures top-notch video and high-quality aerial photos. In addition, the 720p Wi-Fi FPV camera lets you take on first-person view. Furthermore, the Holystone HS100 drone remote control attaches to a smartphone and provides real-time viewing. Holystone HS100 battery enables longer flying distance. As a matter of fact, its removable 2500 mAh battery provides 15 minutes of flight time. Not to mention, the remote control distance covers 500 meters. Uniquely, this quadcopter supports 4 different LED lights. The Holystone HS100 FPV RC drone's ultra-bright LEDs provide ample light for effective night flying. Equally important, the Holystone HS100 drone supports one-key takeoff as well as one-key auto landing feature. In addition, it provides an altitude hold for easy navigation. These combined features make this quadcopter great for beginners. Significantly, the Holystone HS100 drone provides an auto return function. When the battery gets low or loses its signal, it will auto return home. In addition, the Holystone HS100 provides a follow mode. Impressively, this mode follows the GPS of your smartphone, which allows the quadcopter to follow and record wherever you go. In addition, the Holystone HS100 is 3D VR compatible. Notably, it possesses the ability to link up to VR glasses and experience real-time transmission and 3D visualizations during flights. In conclusion, if you are looking to buy a mid-level drone and don't want to break the bank, this state-of-the-art quadcopter might be for you. The Holystone HS100 provides high-quality aerial photography along with nifty, easy-to-fly features. Presently, the lowest price you can buy it for is at Amazon.com. If you are interested in buying any of these products or any other products on Amazon, please use my affiliate links, which are located in the video description and at the top of the comment section.